Hey, it's your boy the Crypto Goon, and shout out to all my crypto goons for pulling up once again. XDC, we've been talking about it the last couple months. Hopefully a lot of you all out there paid attention and took advantage of what the chart had to offer. How do we get where we are now? Let's run that tape back. Retrace and then continue back up to the upside. So I haven't talked about XDC in a while, but as of right now, as you can see with this style consolidation on the monthly, but if you break it down into the weekly, it's actually a bearish triangle pattern, and we're going to see a slight, well, it's already kind of in a correction, but we're going to see it complete this correction and then move to the upside. Okay, so as you can see, we came down to the 50% retracement. If you're new here, the crypto markets love the 50% retracement right here using the Fibonacci, and sometimes they come down to the 618. Now, generally, I try to take larger positions once they come in between the 50 and the 618. But as far as XDC, I actually bought some in at 50, and then I was looking for another buy-in a little bit lower, but it took off. That's a good thing. Now, as I explained in the previous video, we started off in this bearish triangle pattern. It's a smaller pattern, so I wasn't looking for a large correction. Okay, I was looking for a smaller correction followed by a move to the upside. Now, before we get to the rest of the video, I want to show you something revolutionary. There's a new Web3 project called Gold Inc. And it's actually a real mobile MMO game, not some tap to earn clone. You build a gold mining empire and battle thousands of players. And the crypto that you mine is redeemable for real gold. Their token, SST, is in pre-sale right now at a $10 million market cap. And if you use my you'll get up to a 30% bonus and 50% of that value in in-game packs just to get started. This is one of the most expansive Web3 games ever created. Now here's a quick look at it.
Hello, my name's Colin Stone, your very own blockchain braveheart, and I'm here to talk to you today about my coin and game pick of the year. Do you ever wish you could have invested in billion-dollar market cap game coins like Axie Infinity at the start? Well, Gold Inc., a new game launching now, makes those look like they were made by a kid. In fact, that's why I believe Gold Inc.'s coin SST is the first coin in a long time with the potential to go up 900 times, because it's the first Web3 real-time strategy massive multiplayer online game on mobile, and it's by far the most expansive Web3 game ever built. Its pre-sale is also at ridiculously low market cap, around $10 million for the next few days, and they are just about to launch the full game. Imagine someone building a mobile MMO game with a player-driven economy and player-governed political system where you can build a gold mining empire with your friends, and you're fighting against thousands of other alliances 24/7 to mine and steal crypto that is redeemable for real gold. That's Gold Inc. The reason SST is such a crazy buy is because Gold Inc. is not only the largest Web3 mobile game ever built, its team is obsessed with making it the greatest mobile game ever built. They plan to do this by adding the most addictive features from a lot of the most successful games on Earth, the best elements of games like Clash of Clans, Game of War, Pokemon Go, Clash Royale, Star Citizen, DayZ, Ark Survival, and many more in an effort to make a super game to rule them all. The beta is available now in Google Play and App Store, and you can still take part in their coin distribution at a tiny market cap for a few days. My advice? Buy at the coin distribution now while it's at the lowest price and start mining it in the game. Beta users get significantly more SST for a short time, and early alliances have a significant long-term advantage. The launch price on exchanges is set at 5 times the current price, and its use cases are next level. This is as close to buying Bitcoin at $10 as I've seen in a long time. Buy SST and play now.
Bang, this larger triangle pattern. Okay, this larger triangle pattern is a bullish pattern. Now, if you're new here, we pay attention to two things: triangle patterns and the Fibonacci, right? Those let us know when and where things are going to take off and head to the upside. Okay, so as far as XDC, from here, my first target is these highs up here, right? So this previous all-time high and this previous all-time high. Okay, so I'm looking for 18, 19 cents or so, right? Then I'm going to move my stop to lock in what I've gained thus far, right? But long term, You know, I come here, I reverse the Fibonacci, and my first price target, my big price target is 36 cents. Okay, so I'm looking forward to hit 36 cents in the future. I can't say when. Nobody can put a win on when something is going to happen in any market, right? We just have to be patient and wait for everything to play out. So I'm looking for a move up here. And one thing you can also do, you can always measure their bull runs, right? The bull runs are generally around the same size, right? So if we measure this, you know, this brings us up close to this previous high, making a new high at 24 cents. And obviously, no matter what happens, I'm moving my stops up. Now for me, and this is just for me, you know, everybody's different. I'm not looking at XDC as an investment for me. It is more so a tradable, something that's tradable. I'm just trading it, extract profit, and move on with my life. Okay. Now that's just me. Now heading over to Coin Market Cap, the volume is up, okay, 42.92% in the past 24 hours, and the market cap is up 4.2%. Now, out of 50,000 votes, 86% of people are bullish, and that is obviously the bulls have, you know, gained control over this thing, and we knew that this was going to happen because we paid attention to the patterns and what the market was showing us. Okay, so I'm interested in hearing what you all think down in the comments. Please let me know. Are you in it for the long haul, or are you just trading this, right? Most people, you know, are really invested in these things, and that's okay if that's how you feel, you know. But for me, I don't use my feelings. I use the data that I have that is available that I can see, and I trade these things, extract profit, and then I move on to the next cryptocurrency pair. That's my motto. And again, I appreciate you all tapping in. It's the one, never the two. Crypto Goon. I appreciate all my goons. Crypto Goon out.